So in the right hand drive version of the Citroen DS3, interior fuse box, passenger side, left hand side, pull the glove box down, go to the left of the airbag kit and then pull this little plastic cover. Depending on how many times it's been off, it can come off easy. Just prise it off with your fingers. There we go, it's just held on by clips. The fuses down there at the bottom, easy to find.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.
And easy enough to put back. I can tell this one's been off a while, a few times. This little plastic lug has snapped and been glued in place a few times, but it's basically what you'd expect. Fuses going. So there you are. Location, interior fuse box for the Citroen DS3. Wow, it's hot stuff in here. Thanks for watching.